telling people the essence of increasing food production for the increasing population in the world. One of the Millennium Development Goals is increasing food population, food to feed the mouths. So this is a smart irrigation coupled with our irrigation water. This is smart irrigation. Why is it smart? We call it smart because it's monitored by itself. It's automatic, it monitors and gives you information when to irrigate your crops and when not. Then how do you do that? You have soil sensor. This is your sensor. This is the soil sensor monitoring the moisture. If the moisture in the crop is high, it will read from here onto this component. In this Arduino board, where Arduino board and some other components are. So, if this moisture is like this, if your moisture sensor is this, it will get the information telling you about the wetness or the dryness of the soil, and it will read. If you see here, look at the soil moisture. You can see soil is 54%. So which means your plant has water. But based on your preliminary things, you predetermine the moisture at which you irrigate. So that is the essence. You use this to monitor it. So from here now, it is this, which means this plant does not need water now. Because when it needs water, it will trigger by itself. It will send signal to all other components and they will come and pick water. Irrigation pump will pick water from here and send to the plants or crops. So let's see. The soil is high now. Let's remove this to show you that it's in the dry soil now. It's in the dry soil. No moisture, nothing. Look at it. It has gone to 16. Which means this crop now, assuming this is inside this soil, which is dry, the water, it needs water. Tell you that it needs water. And now it needs water. It has sent information to the pump, irrigation pump, and it starts pumping, sending water. If you watch now, you can see that the water is dripping. Can you see? It's dripping. Dripping because the soil is dry. It has given you, and if you watch here, this shows, this sign is shaking, means that the water is pumping. This is the irrigation water source. It travels from this pipe, comes here. From here, it delivers it to the crops. But if the soil doesn't need water, let me replace this. The moisture is high, and the irrigation pump will trigger off by itself. You don't need to be there to put off your pump also. It controls itself. So this is an advance we are doing.